What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I'm sorry I haven't been here it's been right at a week. Took a vacation. It was really nice with the family, all that kind of stuff. But I'm back, so we're gonna roll on with it. Now, while I was gone, I was hoping my cell phones would stay mining and everything would be hunky-dory and smooth, but I came back and both of my phones had auto-updated. So it kicked them offline. That kind of stinks. But at least I don't think I had any overheating issues. It was just the auto-update problem. So I need to turn that off. I'm gonna look into that. But I still have, let me flip it around so you can see. All right, so let me turn my fan off so you guys don't hear any wind noise. But we have the Note 5 back up and running, only running 2 cores because it does overheat during the day, in the heat of the day. So hopefully whenever the weather calms down and I can run this bad boy a little harder in the wintertime. Until then, it's still out here in my garage. It's not air conditioned, and that's kind of the issue. But it settles out at about 0.8, a little under 1 mega hash on 2 cores. And then the Z Flip 3 has been running, and it does about a little over 2.5. So together they do, 3.5, give or take, mega hash, and it's only happy running 5 of the 8 cores because that bad boy overheats as well. And somebody was like, remove the back panel, but it's like a metal back panel, and I don't want to risk tearing it up. And this has the infamous fold screen issue. If you fold the screen and then you open it back up, it doesn't want to come back online, so you have to fold it and open it like 20 times. So I'm just leaving that guy alone. I did get another phone, and there will be a video coming out on that right there. So once I get that bad boy up and running, look out for that tomorrow. Let me refresh our luck pool here. It's only showing the Flip 2, but I know I got there it is, there's the Note 5. So our 24-hour average, 2.47 mega hash, looks like we're climbing up there. 2-hour average is at 3.2 and climbing. I am going to be replacing this is my main Android phone. I have an Apple and I have an Android, one for work, one for personal. I am going to be replacing this and going to a newer one. This is a S9, I believe. So this bad boy can mine, and I'll put it in the mines. I'm mainly going to be replacing it because of sorry about that. It's got a bunch of cracks all throughout it. And I looked up what it costs to replace the screen. It's not worth it. There's a bunch of websites, and I'm just going to replace it with something newer, like an S20 or even an S10 would be a decent upgrade from an S9. But that means we'll be putting this one in the mines. We'll be putting this one in the mines, and then I am on the lookout for a couple more phones. Now, what has Verus done while we've been gone? Let's see here. Let's go to Verus coin market cap. So Verus is currently at 42 cents, and it looks like over the last 7 days it's slightly down. It's basically been on a downward trend. What about the last month? Still up from a month ago. So not bad. What about a year? Oh, she's up from a year. All time? Ooh, not all time. Apparently at one point it was like a $2, almost $3. But that's not a bad all-time graph if you compare it to some other coins out there. Now, as for what's happening on the mining side of things with Verus, I have not been able to keep up with it because I've been on the old vacation grind, but I will check into that and see if anything's changed. I don't believe it has, because mining wise, those are still doing about the same. As for like cheap phones, hopefully I can find some more cheap hash power. But other than that, just quick little update video. Hope you guys are having a good one. Peace out. If you have any good recommendations, drop them down below in the comment section, and definitely will feature you on the next video or a upcoming video. All right, guys, take it easy. See you on the next one. Adios.